Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can search for text in a web page in Safari on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, open up the Safari web browser. Next, go to the web page that you want to read, and then to look for text in a web page, tap on the share button. From the pop-up menu, scroll down and tap on find on page. Now put in the text that you want to find. So let's say I want to search for the text 1960. Then tap on search, and it will show all the occurrences that it can locate on the web page. Now there is only one occurrence of the text 1960. So I try to look for something else, say annual. Now there are two occurrences. Sorry, I have accidentally closed it, so we try it again. So find on page. So annual, you can see here it shows 1 out of 2. So there are two results. So we can tap on the down arrow to go to the next result, and then if you keep pressing on the down button, it will rotate back to the next search result. And that's it. That is how you can search for text within the web page on the iPhone 14 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.